Hello, my name is Alonso. I am 18 years old. I am in Santa Marta, Colombia. Uh, I am studying radiology. Uh, in my free time, I like to music. I like my front. I think we'll talk about my my daily routine. I wake at I skip 8 a.m. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I went to study. I have lunch at 12 p.m. I give to beef at night. Uh, Thank you.